your girl Kei, aka Keixwi, and of course I am back with a new video. If this is your first time tuning in to my YouTube channel, you know what you gotta do. Stop what you're doing right now, hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss any of my videos. So yeah guys, I'm back with new hair. Okay, this ponytail was a struggle. Alright, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but it's cute though. For today's video guys, I am going to do a review on the Juvia'S Masquerade palette. I picked this palette up from Ulta. It was about 20 bucks. I'm going to go through these colors, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. This is the Juvia'S Masquerade palette, and the packaging, of course the outer packaging is cute, has 3 women on it, and when we open it up, it's bubble wrap. Not often do you see a palette that's bubble wrap. So being that I have my long sleeves guys, I'm just going to go ahead and swatch on the back of my hand. The first color is CHIT. It's a pretty bluish purpley color. It's really pretty. So Mally is the green color. Oh, that's really pretty. And then this one is Dahlia. Ooh. And then we have Zola. These are pretty like shimmery and pigmented. And I'm gonna see if I can get this purple. It's Makita. I wanna see if I can get that like right here. Ooh. Alright, so we've got a clean hand. I'm gonna go in with Zobo. That's pretty. And then this one is Calabar. That's cute too. I think this is Bori. I don't know. That's really cute. I love pink. Y'all know I love pink. And I guess this one is Giza. Ooh. This one is Burkina. Let me get a little bit more. That's cute. Sorry guys, I'm looking at my my computer to make sure my swatches aren't crooked. Alright, so that one was Cairo. And this one is Ada. It's really pretty. Dahlia. That's like a little cute little shimmer to it. Zula's pretty. Casablanca. Ooh. Oh snap. And Fulani. That's pretty too. The shadow is going on super smoothly, and I mean it blends so well. Like this is a really nice palette. I'm gonna go in with Ada and make myself a little crease here. I'm gonna blend out the cut crease that I just made. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Studio HD Concealer, and I'm just going to create another little cut crease with the concealer. I'm going to go in now with Mally, which is a pretty green. And I'm just going to use a regular flat brush. I'm going to just tap it on there. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. So I'm gonna go under my eyes with Ada. Zola is this like pretty sparkly blue color, and I'm just gonna hit under my eye a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Gonna do a little blush, bronzer, highlighter, all the good stuff. Y'all know I like to be popping in. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. This green, like this green is really popping then, like oh my gosh. Y'all know I love to be popping, so I had to do an extra highlight. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna do like maybe like 2 or 3 more looks with this palette, because this palette, I mean the colors are pigmented, the shimmer colors are popping 10, as you can see the green on my eye. Like yeah, I'm gonna be doing a couple more looks with that palette. I will see you guys next time. Y'all be good, okay? Bye.